For today's video, I'm going to slaughter pig. So, I will get the pig. That is the pig. Amas.
Kapulan kita, ha? Kasi nga ba ko? Bulan ka ni.
So, I'm gonna wear gloves. It's very hot. Very hot weather. Oh, the pig is so ready. Yeah. He is very excited to get slaughtered by me. Huh? Look at that.
So, guro ka ay. Kaanto ka dito. Bahala ka dito.
Raining. So guys, I just finished the slaughter pig. This is the pig. Oh, look outside. So I have to remove my gloves. It's a bit challenging because the pig is so strong. It's a male pig. And it is very strong.
Kamay ya, kaliguan ang kamay.
Murako, dugo. Nalaksan. Very dirty. Woo! Smell so bad. Oh, I will show you the pig that we have slaughtered.
Ayun.
It's so big. So this is the pig that we have slaughtered. Oh, it's 40 kilograms. Ah. So guys, ito yung baboy na pinatay ko. Sobrang lakas man ang ulan, eh. So, nabasa kung ulan. Inday Island, naligo na. Inday Island, naligo. Ganahan, katong suroy-suroy. Tugnaw na ko.
Ligo na dito. Palnga na.
Ligo na ko sa kuan eh. I have to take a shower. Ambe ako isa ka phone be. Give me my phone. Naligo na ako kanina. Tapos ngayon, maliligo ulit tayo. Tapos na akong magkatay ng baboy. O, daara, murag susyo. So, magbahin-bahin na po ni Aniron. Tara, akong baby girl. Baby girl ako, gwapa. ning kinabuhi sa inahan no kanang vloggerista inahan pa gyud ta. So naligo na lang ko ning kalit og ulan kanina. Kabalo na jud ni mag-vlog akong anak oh. Kabalo naman mo tanaw camera. Na, di pa mo milo. Di pa mo milo.